I want to make sure that you remember what to do when you know the answer and you have something that you'd like to share. So show me right now what you're supposed to do when you have an answer that you'd like to share. It's not a raised hand. Luke's got it. A thumb up on your chest, okay? I'll share in just a moment. Okay. Simone, what did you see? How many did you see?
I think I saw 8.
You think you saw 8? Raise your hand if you agree that you saw 8. Okay, did someone see something different? Evelyn, you saw 8? Did you see something different?
8.
You saw 8. I think we all saw 8. Okay.
No.
You didn't see 8? What did you see?
I saw 6.
You saw 6. Okay, well let's check it out. Let's look at it one more time. Okay, so Charlotte, tell me what you saw. How did you see 8? You told me you saw 8. How did you see that?
Because I know +2 + 2 + 2 + 2 equals.
Oh, I like that strategy.
And I know that 4 + 4 = 8.
Okay, so you knew 2 different ways. Okay, so Charlotte said she saw 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, and she knew that if you can actually do what? You can count by
2s.
You can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. And the other way you said was you could see 4 and 4, and you know 4 + 4 is 8. Great. Did anyone solve it a different way? Did anyone know this number a different way? Okay, let's check out another one. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple seconds. Think about it. Keep it in your head. Melody, how many did you see?
10.
10. Hannah?
10.
10. Raise your hand if you agree. You saw 10. Was there anyone who saw something different? Jack?
I think it's on 10 also.
You think you saw 10? Okay, so we all kind of agree that there was 10. Okay, and let's talk about how we saw 10. So I bet we have some different strategies that we used. I'm looking for thumbs. Willow?
Because I know 5 + 5 is 10 because I have 5 fingers and then 5 more and then it makes 10.
Oh, but how did you know that there was 5 and 5?
Because I knew, because I counted.
You counted that?
Like we had 3 and 2 more and 3 and 1 + 1.
Wow, that's an interesting way to do it. You could do 3 and 3, 2, 1 and 1, and add it all together. That is one way. Okay, who has another way? Gabe?
Well, I know that that's 5 because I saw it from the dice.
Oh, you have? We've played a lot of games with dice at school, haven't we?
I saw that from the dice too.
Okay. So you knew when you saw just this,
Yeah.
that there were how many?
There were 5.
There were 5. And then when you looked on the other side,
There were 5, so I put it all together and makes 10.
wow, great thinking. Yeah, that's a quick way to do it. If you can remember that there's 5 and 5, that's a great strategy. Great. Lots of great strategies. Okay. Strategies. Okay. Here's the next one. Ooh, I see lots of thumbs. Evelyn, what did you see?
8.
You saw 8. Hannah?
8.
8. Luke, what did you see?
8.
You saw 8. Raise your hand if you saw 8. Did anyone see something different? Okay, let's check it out again. Okay, so let's share how we knew that this was 8.
And 3 more.
Oh, what do you mean? Show me what you mean.
Like you have 5 up there and then 3 more. That makes like 7, 8. Wait. 5 and then you have 6, 7, 8.
Oh, that's a great strategy, Hannah. Hannah saw that there were 5 on top. How did you know that that was 5 just by looking at it?
Because the 5 frame.
Ooh, you saw the 5 frame, and it's full, right? So you knew right away that's 5. You didn't have to count all those, did you? And then she locked that number in her mind. She said 5, and then what did you do?
6, 7, 8.
She counted on to get to 8. Great strategy. Did someone have a different way of seeing it?
If you tell them how did you solve the problem?
Yeah, so if you talk about your math thinking, you can help others. And when we understand math better, what is that going to help us do when we better understand math? Hannah?
Make it easier for us.
It's going to make it easier, and eventually you'll be able to solve even trickier problems because